What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate Allegro website. Now, as you can see here on my screen here, it is currently in English, but as this is not a native English website, if you want to have it translated in English, you want to go ahead and use, for example, Google Chrome. As you can see, I'm in Google Chrome here, and all I have to do is right click and I'll have the option to translate to English. You can easily go ahead and translate this to whatever you want. You can use English or you can translate to a different language. In order to do that, you can just simply click the three dots once you try to translate, and you can choose another language here. So if I want to do, for example, another language, I can choose this to say another language, and then I can switch that from English to whatever it is. So it's going to translate it from the native language of the website to whatever it is that I want. And anytime I go back and want to translate, all I have to do is just simply right click and translate to English, and it will always translate that for me. Oftentimes it will try to automatically translate those websites for you if this is what you want. But that's how easy it is, guys, to translate the Allegro website into English. Very easy and very simple.